in this video, now we are going to design our next part, that is this tank. So it will take three parts, means we have to first design the three parts and then we have to assemble all the three parts. First is this one, the ladder, then the main portion, then these two coverings. So let's start. First, going on the new, let's open a new file so that we can create it. So from here, select model and make it okay. Now starting with taking a sketch. So going on this sketch command and now selecting a plane, means on which plane we are going to work. Let's select this front plane, XZ plane, and make it okay from here. Now first, it may be the size may be longer because it is a bigger tank. So first taking this as center point, going in the left, means let's make the distance of this as 3500 and make the angle of 90, sorry 180, and then make it to fit so you can get the whole profile. Okay, so now from here going up with the length of 1000 and make it 90. Let's take it reverse. I'm making it the revolve command. You can also go with the extrude command and then connecting it back. Let's cancel the command from here and then let's make a line to convert to reference. Let's see if this would be convert to reference. Make it finish sketch, bring it to isometric view like this one. Now from here going on to the revolve command. Now what we have to do is to select the curve. So first select any curve, connected curve, all curves are connected, specify the vector, take the vector in the y-axis, drag the point, you will get a point. Let's see. From here change the vector to this one, x-axis. Let's check it. Okay, like this one. We can also do it with the circle of 3500 diameter and then extruding it up to 2000. So you can also go with that. Okay, so let's hide that one. Now again going on to the sketch command, what you have to select this front face and make it okay from here. Okay, let's drag it to center. Okay, now again going on to this circle command, let's find out the center point here and we have to create a circle of diameter 2100, a little small, longer than that one. For that only outer covering. Okay, so from here going on to the extrude command, we just have to take this one, let's drag it up to 40. Okay, let me see if 40 works. Okay, no problem, 40 will work. Now let's make it okay from here. No, from here it's abstract, we have to change it to the unite. Just a second. From here let's make it to unite and then make it okay from here. Let's make it something this one. Similarly selecting the second face, from here sketch, select this one and make it okay. Then again going on to the circle command, same process, 2100 from this side also, like this one. Okay, it's converted into 210. Let's check it out and then double click on it and let's make it to 2100, 2100, and make it like this one and let's close it. Let's finish it, make it finish, then make it to extrude up to 40. We are creating this for that outer covering, so it can be easily done with the help of the nuts and bolt and make it okay. Like this one, it has been connected. Okay, again similarly with the same sketch here. Now let's create a circle of 1997 because we need the thickness of 3 in the inner diameter. Okay, so let's select this one and make a circle of diameter of 1997. You can also do it with the help of cell command with making the thickness of 3, but I am choosing this method. So going on to extrude command, taking this connected curve, let's make it reverse. From here make up to next and subtract. Body has been selected due to only one body presents. Let's see if that works. Let's make it rotate. Okay, like this one. Now what we have to do is to make these sketches as height. So from here make all the sketch as height. Okay, so now again on going to the sketch command, we have to make a sketch on this. So making this as a face of extrude and make it okay. This first profile is going to be a little harder, then next two will be most easy, and then we will do the assemble. Only three parts we have to assemble, so it will be more easy. So first make it finish because we need a center line. So from here first create a reference line from this one to 2050. I think let's check it out if how much this will go. Let's make the angle of 90. Okay, so it is taking 250 because we have done, let's minus 1000 because we have taken it from the center, not from the downwards. Okay, now make it okay, something like this. Now again double click on this and let's make it to 1025. Now we will get in the center. Okay, now let's zoom it to only this point. Okay, because only a small diameter for the nuts and the bolts. So from here taking this point and let's create a circle of diameter 40. Okay, now convert this line as convert to reference. Don't make it finish directly, choose it as extrude because only one thing. So from here make to until next and let's see if that circle exists. Just a second, let's first make this height. Select this one and make it control B. So let's see. Okay, circle has been created here. Okay, so now what we have to do, going on to the pattern feature, we have to pattern this circle. Okay, so from here going selecting this feature from this box, so extrude 10 we have to select circular, specify the vector. Let's check it out if this will be the vector. Specify the point, that should be this point. So from here specify the point and let's take this 36 and make the angle of 360. Okay, so here we can see 28, 21 and it will complete the 36 like this one. Let's rotate it and you will get every circles in this side. Okay, so now similarly what we have to do, this one portion here, so selecting the sketch command, rotating it here and then select this one. Similarly we can do it simply with the help of that command, pattern feature. Okay, so let's select this line and make it 1025 and make the angle of 90. Let's cancel it, make it a little zoom to that line, making it convert to reference, create a circle of diameter 40. Okay, so it is red because this line hasn't. Let's first make it control Z, taking only this point of line and making it to 40. Okay, so let's cancel it, convert this line as reference. Why this does I don't know. Okay, now make it finish sketch, selecting the extrude. Let's make it to rotate so you can get the downwards and then select this, reverse the direction from here, make it to a little more and make it okay. Let's see if circles done or not. Make this one and let's make it height. Okay, here is the circle. So now from here going on to the pattern feature, similarly we have to done with the help of count and span. Okay, so select the feature, you can easily select in this dialog box extrude number 13, then specify the vector, it should be in the x direction, specify the points, you can take the center point and you will get a 36 and make it okay. So here we can see it is completing a 36 rounds. Okay, so now what we have created the center portion of the tanker. Okay, So again, going on, taking the datum plane here, we have to create a datum plane. If see, that will take from here or where. Okay, it is taking from the downwards. Okay, so we need it 1350 from the center, so the distance between center and this bottom is 1000. So let's make this offset of 2350, 1000 more, and let's reverse the direction from here and make it okay. Okay, so you will get a offset of a datum plane. So again, select on this plane, we have to create a line on this plane and make it okay, like this one. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to create, okay, so we have to create a circle of diameter 800. So taking any point here and create a circle of diameter 800 like this one. So now what we have to do, first to make a distance of, let's see this one, this distance should be of 0. So let's make it the distance of 0 and you will get it in the center. Now again what we have to do is to make this distance. I don't know what is the point, so let's going on to the rapid dimension, taking this first point and then taking this end point here. Okay, we have to get this distance of, let's make it a little more, of 875 plus 1790. Okay, like this one, and let's make it finish. We have to create more circles, so let's create, if it possible, so let's create a circle of diameter 900 also and from the center, and let's make it finish. Don't hide this datum plane, after that we can do it. So let's make this extrude of the inner circle, that is the 800. Okay, so let's reverse the direction from here, make it up to until next, so it will take the shape from here. If possible, make it unite and let's make it okay. Okay, similarly what we have to do is to extrude this circle above the center, taking this one and let's make it to 10 or make it to approx 40. Okay, huh? 40 is the perfect. So let's hide this circles also. Now what we have to do, we have to create a circle above on this. So selecting this sketch and make it okay. So let's make it here, taking the circle. If possible, if we can get the circle point here. Okay, okay, so taking a circle command, we have to create a circle from the same center like this one of diameter 500, and also create a circle of 3 because we need the thickness of 3. Create a circle of diameter 497. Let's cancel it, we will create it later. So again, taking the extrude command, we have to extrude it. Just a second, let's take it, and we have to extrude it of 300. Let's extrude it of 300 and make it okay from here. Now we shall hide this datum plane also from here, make it to hide. We can hide also this sketch. So again, now we need a cell of 3. So due to 3 united, first select easily with the help of this one, and let's create a circle of diameter 497. Let's select this one and make it to 497. Let's make it okay. So what is the diameter? Let's click it, double click on this above one. Now double click on this sketch, we need this of 493. Okay, so let's cancel it because we need the thickness of 7. So we had reduced the 7 from the original diameter. So let's extrude this, make it reverse from here. Let's take it down and let's see what it will be until next. Let's see what it will take. and from here take a subtract, okay, and make it okay. Okay, we have got the hole inside this. Now make this height from here. In this way you can create the upper body. Okay, so now what it is required, only we have to create a bottom portion here. So let first save it, otherwise we shall lose it. So let's make it save. Okay, so now we have to create the bottom of this. So from here, going on this datum plane, we have to select the bottom again. We have to, actually the dimension given is from the center, so we have to adjust it by subtracting the 1000. So let's make 500 and make it okay from here. Let's see if it at the center. Okay, now again going on to the sketch command, we have to select the sketch and make it okay, like this one. Again going on to the rectangle command, we have to create a rectangle from here of width 300, make it to 300, and let's create the height of 2000 from here and make it like this one. Okay, so now what we have to make is to change first this distance. This distance should be of half, means 1000, so it will get in the center. Now what we have to do is to manage this distance. So let's make this distance as 1750 plus 875 and make it close. Let's make it finish sketch. Don't make this hide, okay, because we will need this datum plane maybe. So let's select this, reverse the direction from here, make it to until next. Okay, if let's see if it will take a longer one, so we can't take it. Okay, make it unite and let's see, you will find it here. Okay, okay, you can see inside view you have got this point only because of this united. Okay, this has been inserted behind. You can also change, if you will change the dimension of this a little longer of 250, it would get better, but no need, we need only this one. You can easily change the inside one with the help of this replace space, so we will do it later. Okay, so now what we have to do is to work on this one. So again going on to the sketch command, taking this face of the extrude and make it okay. Okay, so no need to do the sketch, let's make it control Z. So from here hide this sketch, control V and make it hide, or right click on this and also hide this sketch from here also. So now what we have to do is to, let's first see if everything is going perfect. Okay, so again what we have to do is to make a mirror of this here. Okay, so first from here let's create a datum plane, or we shall do it with the help of directly into the mirror feature. So going on this more, you will get a mirror feature here. Now what we have to do is to select this extrude, from here make it to new plane. Let's create a new plane. So taking this face of extrude, from here it is a bisector plane, we need this at distance. So from here taking this one, reverse the direction from here, make it to 1750 plus 40, so we'll get in the center. Okay, so now it will get here and make it okay from here. Similarly we will get two stands, so in this way you can do this one. So here we have done a little bit things. We need also be here, we two plates will be taken when we will do the production of this. So from here going on to the sketch command, first taking this line, this point and making it okay from here. Now again taking a line from here, we will get a center and then let's make it drag only to this point, so we'll get it easily. And if see what is the distance of this one, this is, let's take it to 350 and make it 90 like this one. Again, going on this circle command, let's make a circle of diameter only 50, and let's convert this line as convert to reference from here. So just a second, let's make it to orient view to sketch. If we need this to change the direction, let's make it to 380 and let's make it to finish one. And then again going on to the extrude command, we have to extrude this one, so select this connected curve, reverse the direction, make it apply. Okay, let's see if this will get hide or not. No, from here let's make it to hide. Right click on this sketch and make it hide. See, if the circle we have gone, we are not. Okay, it is a circle we gone. Again going on to the pattern feature here. Now what we have to do is to make the pattern of this. So let's select that pattern. So you can easily select in this dialog box, make it this one. Let's drag it, specify the vector. Let's take it this one, specify the point. This should be the center point of this. Okay, from here specify the vector to x, then y, and also z1. Okay, so it will take a z1. Don't make it to 36. Let's take it 18 and make it okay. So we will get a circles. Okay, so we can see here we have got a distance a little longer. Let's select the sketch again, and we have to make this distance. Actually this distance has not been given in the design, so we have to only assume this one. Nothing we can do more than this. So only we know the diameter of the circle, that is 50, and nothing else. So I made it with the assuming it. So let's make it finish with the distance of 410. Let's see if it is coming or not. No, it's not. So first from here taking the extrude, let's make it to until, not to next, let's make it to only 40 and make it okay from here. Now let's see if it will. Okay, now it is the right one. No, we don't need to make this one, we have to hide this sketch. Now let's see. Okay, now it is the perfect. We have to make the distance of only 40 for that extrude. Okay, so in this way we can design the first part of the time curve. So in this way we have completed the first part. Now what we have to work with the second part, that we will do in the second video. Thank you.